Good day. So, what we have here is a BMW R1100S. Is 99 model. Very nice motorcycle. It's a sports motorcycle, very fast for the time, of course, because after 2005 and later BMW or BMW in German surprised us with a very high horsepower. Accordingly, I'm talking, of course, but it's still a fast motorcycle with almost 100 PS. And at the same time, by converting the steering rod, as you see, to a normal one instead of clip-ons or the sports one that has from factory, which is mounted down here. You make it a very nice touring motorcycle as well, as it is this one with 3 luggages, 2 each from the factory and 1 extra. Okay, I'm saying this generally speaking for the motorcycle. I have here many tools because I make some conversions, some updates and so on. One of the problems this motorcycle had, it was the motorcycle was sometimes when I was turning the steering of the motorcycle was switched off instantly, like a general power failure. All lamps was off, engine went off, and of course this had to be an electric problem to the cables or to the key switch. And finally it was the usual problem of the key switch of the ignition key switch of the motorcycle. Actually, what was happening is inside here, I think now it's clear. So inside this part was moving. Every time I was pushing it, it was making contact inside and start working again. And I made a mistake. I thought I would fix it, but it was a terrible mistake. I put fast glue here. The problem resolved, so no interruptions anymore every time you were shaking it or moving the cables or something. But unfortunately, the fast glue went inside and blocked the switch. It was not possible anymore to turn, keeping the motorcycle on all the times. Okay, so I tried to unstuck it. I threw inside acetone, I threw some other chemicals, nothing. So I decided to find a used one, because the brand new is very expensive and I don't know if I can find it also. So I paid something like $200 for this one. They sent it to me together with some other broken parts that I will not use. I didn't have in mind to use anyway. And now, suddenly, we'll have a serious problem because, not a serious problem, but a problem of a huge problem, because suddenly I had to deal with one extra key. So it means a different key to my engine and different key for my to open the seat, to open the tank, or to open the side luggages, because anyway this is from Kiwi and doesn't open with the same key anyway. So I said it should be a possibility of replacing this part, and in order to put the same key, as you see, as I had previously. And this is what I did. In the side, As you can see, it has this metal here, like a cup, okay, from the other way around, and has a small, sorry, let me try to change and have a little bit macro, yes. Now, you see a small opening here, so the procedure is very easy. To remove the entire locking mechanism, the mechanical locking mechanism, you should put in this small opening a thin screwdriver, sorry, here, and press it inside, and then pull the key while you have it in on position, okay? And then you pull up and you remove the entire thing, okay? This is what I did, as you can see. The electromechanical part is below of this, okay? This actually, I'm sorry, I'm moving it. I have to hold the thing with my hand. So it's this part, okay? Now came out also this small sealing thing that seals from water. And yeah, this is what it happened. And now I removed it and I replaced it. I made the same procedure to this, okay, as you see. So let me take it out because I didn't screw it yet. This is what I did, okay? This is my old key inside, okay? Yeah, that's it. It's very easy and very fast. I put the new one, which is not new as you can see, is a used switch, but it works very well. Hopefully to not break fast. Thank you for watching this video. For more, I will, if I make more, I will let you know. Have a great day.